Hello guys, Kaide is here, and for today's video, we are going to play Pet Story. Oh my god, so ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-record dahil ang dami kong ginagawa, grabe kasi. Okay, so magdala tayo Pet Story. So, actually dati ko pa itong nalaro. Actually, dati ko pa talaga itong nalaro. Hindi ko lang na-record. Kaya ganito na yung avatar ko. Yeah. Ang tabang pusa. Yes. Let's go. Okay, papasok tayo dito. Oh my God! Nagtalabak. Ala, nasa labas ako. Ba't ako nasa labas? Pagdalag kasi umuulan. Ang lamig sobra. Naramdaman niyo ba yun? Ang kalamig ng OMG, andito na tayo. Wow. Oof, hey, you must be the new pet. My name's Canela. Hi, Canela! Oh my god, ang ganda. Ko, thank you. I'm the purest cocker. This is what human call adoption center. Hi, Susie. Susie sheep. May heel. Hindi pa agad. Ito. Ba't may asong nakakulong? Sure, alam ko na yan. Alam nyo. Slicer. Liar. Humans are disgusting. Nakakulong ka lang eh. Sure. That's Slicer. Stay away from that dog. He's in a cage for a reason. True. Siguro nangangagat yan. You will be here forever. Just like me. I've heard they are going to take him to the deadly shelter. Oh my God! Siguro papatayin na siya doon. Sure. Anyways, let's have some fun. Susie says we can explore the place. Okay. Thank you, Susie Sheep. Galing ko dito talaga sa mga parkour. Lagi akong panalo dyan. A truck arrives. Someone is getting adopted. Oh my God, sino yun? Sino to? Granny! Good morning, sweetie. My name is Gertrudis, but you can call me Granny. Ay, ayoko magpa-adapt kay Granny. Pipisatin niya lang ako. Ayoko yan. Ayoko dyan. Kakagating ko yung ganyan. Dito ako sa mga papeles. See it. Lay na lang. That's Canela. Yan, si Canela. She is super friendly and cheerful. Oh my God, fake. That's King Bobonez. Ano lang? It is very loyal and likes stranger. Ay, gusto mo pala si Granny ah. That's no one. Ay, wala siyang pangalan. It needs exercise and it's very clumsy. Ah, yan. That is hebeshebeshi. 3. Likes stronger and needs exercise. Ah! That's Skibidi 54 3 30. It drools a lot and sheds a lot. Ew. Saan na ako? That's Flynn Yemisimsi. Ether. It sleeps all day and is very friendly. Nasaan na ako? That is for. It is very affectionate and drinks from the toilet. Yeah! Ew! That's Yuri 133. It gets mad easily and has a lot of energy. True, buka sa mukha niya. Parang mad talaga. To then, that is Troy. It is very sensitive and needs exercise. And that's Kaide. Oh, it's me! It's very clumsy and it's very royal. Oh, loyal ako pero clumsy din. Kaya andito ako sa yan. That's Slicer. He's very aggressive. Correct. It's actually his last week with us. Oh, sino kaya ma-adopt? Oh my God! That's all we have for now. They are all so beautiful. Sino kaya yung ma-adapt sa amin? Siguro si Adidafapa. Yeah, si Yuri. May aso dito, si Oreo. I'm thinking, oh my God, ang dami niyang kinuha. Grabe. Ano yun? Dami niyang kinuha. Nasama pa ako. Ba yan? Let's go! Let's go now! Ayoko dyan. Gusto ko lumayas. Papasin niyo ako. Grabe ang naman ng milk. Nandito na agad silang lahat. Granny, ba ipagkain ba sa Pag walang pagkain talaga dun Sige na. Hindi ako tumabi sa inyo. Puro kayo mga aso. Ako lang yung pusa dito. Lahat kayo aso. Time to go home. Oh! I almost forgot. Should we go to the supermarket? Saan kaya? The Granny Zone na lang tayo. And let's do it tomorrow. Welcome home. May pagkain dito, Granny, sabi mo. Oh, yan! We got food! So yummy. Go ahead and explore the house. Ano to? Baka may daga dito, Pusa pa naman ako. Kakainin ko yan. Hope you'll find the pet, please. Oh, hi! Hi, Misty. My son, Misty. You're seeing your pets. Welcome. Mom cat. Paepad yung pigeon na yan. I hate pigeons. Same. So ganda po yung birdie bird. Anyways, I need your help. I'll talk to you at night, okay? May pagkain pa ba dito? Ito. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Grabe, tumatayo yung pusa. Yung dance yun. May dance na. Grabe. Namimiss ko na si Susie. Dun ka, Garner. Go away, Garner. But every night when Granny goes to sleep, the house gets infested by cockroaches. Yeah! Ew, cockroaches. Ew. Pwede ba ikunin yung buto na yun? Ayun, yung bird na yun, masarap. Itong bird na to, sarap to, guys. Just make sure not to touch them. They fly. Ay! Milipad. Ew. Ay. Doon pala yung mga cockroaches, hindi pala yung mga daga. Okay. Get every last spread comes from this house, soldiers! Oh, yeah! Kahit sa laro ang pangit nila. Okay. Kayo bahala dyan. Please, you gotta kill them. Hoy, Misty, gumalaw ka din. Ano, kami lang mag-kill? Killers naman kami. Yung dalaw, yung mag-twins, so. Guys. Kaya niyo yan. $25 cockroaches pa, oh. Kaya nga, tutulong na ako. Walang magagawa pa gano'n. Ay! Lumilipad! Ew! Kagat. Bite it. Yay! Wag! Lumilipad! Para sa baba. Ay! Yak! Kinakagat ko. Coaches! Ew! Gagawin mo. Ang dami pa. Kagat mo. Kagatin nyo. 14 pa. Yan, lumilipad kasi. Ay! Nangangagat kayo. Nangangagat kayo. Nangangagat ka. Nangangagat ka. Nangangagat ka. Nangangagat kayo. Mga cockroaches! Aray, patay ako. Ah! Bitch, revive me. Pala mga cockroaches. Gabi. Dahil pala hindi na ako tumulong. The end.